Alright, today we're working on a Lexus ECU. The customer just dropped off 2 keys. They're already cut, so it's not really a lost key as far as making the key to make the locks turn, but it is a lost key as far as being able to start the car. So these chips are not even recognized to this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and take both these keys and put them in the box. That way the anti-theft system will allow the car to start. I'll come back in a little bit. Alright, we're back. This puppy's done. This is now programmed as key number 1. I programmed this one as key number 3. Those of you that call me ask me how I know it's going to work. Easy. Let me grab my phone here. Alright. This key here is actually key number 1. I took a picture of my screen. This key here, it's actually going to be key number 3. So what I do is I go in the system and I double check the keys, make sure they in memory where they supposed to be. So when you plug this unit back up, it's just going to be plug and play at that point. I don't do the other stuff. I used to do it years ago where you put them in auto learn. You send it to the customer. They have to learn the keys individually. I don't do it that way. This is literally plug and play. You take this out the box, put it back in the car. Car's going to start right up. It's going to recognize the key. The reason I don't do it that way, for one, sometime it would not work correctly, and I would literally be at the car. This ain't dealing with through the mail. I would be on site. So I would notice that every now and then it wouldn't work correctly. So when I'm dealing with people through the mail or people sending me stuff, dropping it off at the office, and I don't have the car in front of me, this is more secure for me, able to just directly, whatever chips in here, read the data, directly put it in there. And most of the people that do the auto learn, you can't give them a key and have them put it in there. They don't know how to do that. So that's another reason why they're going to steer you in that direction. But in this particular case, it's plug and play. You need my help, give me a call. I've been doing this since the early 90s. You don't have to believe me. You can look on YouTube or whatever, look at the channel. I probably got videos dating back, I don't know, at least 10 years. So dealing with a guy that's been dealing with this stuff for a long time. But like I said again, you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what I'm going to need, what you need to send, how long it's going to take, what it's going to cost, or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you for watching. Appreciate y'all.